It's been a really busy day and I'm in danger of not posting Monday to Thursday. So I thought I'd get out Thunderbird 1, the Empire version, and just do a quick walk around video of it. Just so I can make sure that I'm posting as often as possible. Why didn't I do it in original Thunderbird colours? Well, I just like to be different, you know. That and being a bit of a rebel most of the time. Oh, that's good. The gears have dropped out. And the gears are back in again. So yeah. Thunderbird 1 for Darth Vader in Imperial colours.